Hey, Lou here again. So, yeah, I had the day off yesterday and saw a YouTube video by a gentleman, pretty famous YouTuber, NightHawkInLight, and he had built something he called a plasma cannon. I'm not so sure about that, but it is a really cool effect and kind of fun to do. Pretty simple, propane torch, some 7/8 plastic tubing, and what's left of a water bottle on the end. So, my camera lady will turn the lights out. We'll do a test fire. Pretty fun, pretty pointless. I don't think there's very much use for this, but sure does look cool. Thanks, everybody.